Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Sai Love Light Healing. I hope you guys are doing well. So let us check what are the spirit guides wanting to let you know, what are the messages from your person, what are their thoughts, what are their feelings, what are they wanting to convey to you, what are they wanting to say. Okay, so it's been a really very long time since I have posted a video or I have had an energy check for the collectives, but I'll try कि मैं जितने हो सके उतने videos I can post it on my YouTube channel, okay, for the whole week now. Let us check कितने videos मैं आज record कर पाती हूँ. So let us now go forward with the reading. I've already shuffled up the cards and we have two of swords. So आपके जो ये person है, maybe you or this person with whom you are dealing or currently thinking about, you are not able to currently decide कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. You definitely want to go and talk to this person. You want to communicate with this person. You also know the ways how to do it, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं है. Maybe you already have the solution for your problem, but आपको पता नहीं है कि उठ के कैसे. Maybe you are not willing to do it, or maybe you are not willing to look at the solution, or maybe even if you know the solution, you are not able to accept the help that you are getting from the universe. Okay, basically आपको solution पता है, लेकिन आपको वो चाबी उठा के ताला खोलना नहीं है. Okay, so that's what your or maybe your person's energies might be. Okay, not able to decide what to do next, maybe indecisive, you or maybe your person's energies. Next we have Hierophant. So आपको लगता था कि ये जो person है, maybe you belong to a family की जहाँ पे जो भी आपके कोई ट्रेडिशनल कोई ट्रेडिशन फॉलो होता है या फिर ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ों की वजह से आपके कनेक्शन में डिस्प्यूट्स आती थी, या फिर कल्चर सेम फॉलो नहीं होता, या फिर कास्ट, ओके, डिफरेंट रिलीजन, कल्चर, ट्रेडिशन, उन चीज़ों की वजह से आपके कनेक्शन में थोड़े बहुत डिस्प्यूट्स या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो सकते हैं. मे बी orthodox mindset, that is another thing that I'm getting. Maybe you belong to a family which is very conservative. Okay, so वो हो सकता है जिसकी वजह से आपके कनेक्शन में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हुए हैं या हुए थे. Maybe you were not ready, maybe a person was not ready to take a stand due to these problems which are existing in your connection. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि ओपिनियंस आप दोनों के बहुत डिफर करते थे एंड उसकी वजह से डिस्प्यूट्स, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स, डाउट्स, फियर्स, ये सारी चीज़ें. मतलब आपको अपना पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं छोड़ना, आपके पर्सन को उनका पर्सपेक्टिव खुद का नहीं छोड़ना. ओके, एंड दैट कुड बी द रीजन ड्यू टू विच the separation or maybe no communication has happened in the connection. Okay, we have seven of pentacles. So definitely आपको ना थोड़ा सा और टाइम, एनर्जीज इन्वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत है इस कनेक्शन में. ओके, एंड यू डेफिनेटली आर थिंकिंग अबाउट मूविंग टूवर्ड्स दिस पर्सन. यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद दिस पर्सन. यू वांट टू bring positive changes in your connection. Okay, you are wishing to have a good future with this person as well. Maybe marriage is also on the cards. 6 days from now till 6 weeks could be important for you. 6 days from now till 6 weeks, okay, could be important for you. Maybe some sort of communication is coming in for you. You want to definitely communicate with this person. आपको लगता है कि अभी मुझे ही जाके कुछ करना पड़ेगा. ओके, क्योंकि हो सकता है आपकी गलती थी एंड आपको रियलाइज हुआ है. आपके पास ऑलरेडी सोल्यूशन है कि कैसे इन चीज़ों को सॉर्ट आउट किया जाए, एंड नाउ यू आर रेडी टू टेक नेसेसरी स्टेप्स. यू आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स फॉर दिस कनेक्शन, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि दिस विल बी वर्थ इट. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव किंग ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एज वेल. सो आपके पर्सन आपको कोल्ड साइड, सी, इमोशंस है, फीलिंग्स है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आप दोनों ऐसे एटीट्यूड में है कि आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ड्यू टू दिस सेपरेशन और मे बी नो कम्युनिकेशन हैपनिंग विद दिस पर्सन. ऐसा आप दोनों एक दूसरे को दिखा रहे हैं. दिस कुड बी फियर बेस्ड ईगो एज वेल. ओके, मे बी बट यू आर नॉट रेडी टू लेट गो ऑफ दिस पर्सन और द कनेक्शन. Okay, the way the king is holding the wand here, you are not able to let go of this connection, the person. It is very important for you, this person, the connection, okay, the love that you guys shared, the bond that you shared, it was very significant and important. Let us check what are the other messages from the spirit guides for you. These are the handwritten messages. You take care of me like a mother or a father. Okay, let us check what else do we have. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so I am a fire sign. Okay, so you might be dealing with a person who is a fire sign. Maybe you are a fire sign, and if not, then please take the messages which resonate and let it go. Next we have is, I stay awake at night thinking about you. Definitely sleepless nights happening. Okay. Okay, we have checking daily to see if you are flirting with somebody else. So maybe insecurities है, doubts है, fears है, maybe they fear कि आप कहीं किसी थर्ड पार्टी के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. Maybe you fear कि आपके जो पर्सन है उनको आप खो ना दे ड्यू टू सम अदर थर्ड पार्टी और लव इंटरेस्ट इन देयर लाइफ. ओके, आई वोंट हर्ट यू, ट्रस्ट मी. So this could be messages from your person. Maybe you are willing to tell or convey this message to your person. Okay, I need to heal first. Okay, wait for me, wait for the right time. Cupid's arrow strikes, romance of a lifetime. Wow. So there is romantic feelings, emotions involved in the connection. Definitely, as I said before, unbreakable bond. Yeah, the bond that you shared was significant. It was very important in your life. Okay, call or text. So maybe you are willing to talk through this person. Definitely communication is happening between the two of you. Maybe you are willing to go and talk with this person, and this is a sign for you. If you want, you can do it. You taught me the true meaning of love. Wow. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. Very nice message from your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors, your spirits, your spirit animals. Okay, secrets, be more open and transparent. So maybe there are some secrets involved in your connection, maybe some hidden truths involved in your connection which is needed to be revealed. Fine, so this was your reading. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you will enjoy this reading and this resonated well with you. So take care, bye bye, stay blessed.